nyari stranger untuk tugas bahasa Inggris. Yuk ikutin. Hey, excuse me, can I ask you? Of course. Okay. So what's your name? My name is Cindy. Oh, cool. Nice to meet you. I will introduce myself. My name is Takia. You can call me Asda. I'm from Jakarta. But now I'm studying in Bandung, in Universitas Asia Bandung, with the major tourism. And this is my friend. You can call her Una. She is 18 years old. How about you? Where do you live? I live in Bandung. Oh, cool. So what are you doing now? I'm a student. What do you study? In university. Yeah. My major is psychology. Oh, cool. So I hope you can enjoy with your study. Thank you for your time. See you.